Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. In this short video, I am going to discuss about a general structure of any project report or dissertation basically. And my this particular video is basically for those who are very beginner in the field of research, right? So what are the major components while we writing a project report, or from the perspective of academic project report I am talking about, and a dissertation that we in general we can call that thesis, something like that. So basically first thing is that it should consist a particular topic. Then after it should have an abstract. Abstract means a kind of summary. Then after we have a background section, that we can call that as a chapter 1 as a background, or we can sometimes we can say the introduction section as well. In chapter number 2 there will be literature review, right? Literature review, where you what you do is you just put down all the relevant literatures you have studied or you have read related to your field of study. Then after methodology, what is the methodology for your research work. And then you will in methodology section basically what is your research method, that if that is experiment, is that is something, some survey based method, or what or computational method, what is the methodology for conducting your research work. Then after you have a result section, right? You get the result, or we can say that result and discussion section, where you just put down all the results that you obtained from your research work. And also you have made discussion means you just compare your results with the previous literatures, and try to discuss why your result is something like that, why that particular value comes, and so many discussion over there. That is called result and discussion section. And finally the conclusion section should be very, it should be concise, and it should be straightforward, in the sense that it should mention what all the major findings and major conclusion you will put down here. And finally you will put all the references of your research.